Welcome to Cruising with Bean, where we share with you some of our adventures from cruising. This is a room tour on Independence of the Seas of room 1536. So this is a balcony room. All right, the bed's towards the balcony. All right, sometimes they'll have the bed switched around with the couch. I happen to get because I have a CPAP, I get an extension cord and distilled water. But if we go back towards the door here, the first thing that we'll see when we come through the door is on the right, there's a closet. So in the closet, we have some hangers. Plenty of hanging space. There's a safe, smaller safe. Some shelves for clothing. Got our backpacks already in there. And then these are also some drop-down ones where you can hang some more clothes and such. And of course your life jackets. Right behind the closet is the bathroom. Got the smaller shower, but at least now they have the plastic that'll come out. Get in there. You have your toilet. You have your normal sink. You have nice mirrors here. Picture of me. Let's see. There is a little bit of storage space here behind the mirror. As we come back out, you notice we have the desk with mirrors here. I believe the mirrors are backlit, but that'll kind of give you a perspective here. Got your television that can be rotated towards the couch or towards the bed. You got your cooler underneath the television. Right here, got 3 different shelves there. And we've got the Royal King bed. It's 2 smaller beds just put together. All right, we have space on the left and on the right to store things. And then if we head out to the balcony, it's a little bit larger balcony space. This ship is currently cruising out of Miami. And that's the room. For those of you that have wondered what it's like to flush a toilet on a cruise ship, take a look at this. And if you press this button here, that's what a toilet sounds like on a cruise ship. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to see more of our posts.